news now coming in as far as the US's presidential elections are concerned. We are learning that the United States Supreme Court has in fact rejected an effort by Colorado to remove Donald Trump's name from the state's Republican primary ballot, delivering the former president a major victory as he seeks his party's nomination. A special report to understand this in a better manner.
Has ordered former President Donald Trump right back on the 2024 primary ballot in Colorado. The order came on Monday on the eve of the primaries in the state. The Supreme Court reversed a ruling of the Colorado Supreme Court which had ruled that Trump could not serve as president again in view of the January 6th attack on the Capitol. The Colorado court considered that to be insurrection under Section 3 of the 14th Amendment of the Constitution, or the insurrection clause or the disqualification clause as it is commonly called. The Supreme Court made a fundamental ruling that states cannot determine whether or not anyone should be disqualified over allegations of insurrection. The Supreme Court delivered an unsigned ruling with no dissent, and it was a unanimous verdict. The unanimous ruling also overturns disqualification orders handed down by officials and judges in Maine and Illinois over recent weeks. The three liberal judges in the court went along with the decision, saying that disqualification by some states would have created a chaotic state-by-state patchwork, but they wrote a separate statement criticizing the rest for going further than necessary to protect Trump from future controversy. Trump immediately called this a big win for America. So this now marks a new step forward in the Constitution, where it is the Congress and not the states that can decide over allegations of insurrection under Section 14 of the Constitution. But without doubt, this is yet another boon to Trump from the Supreme Court. One way or the other, the Supreme Court has been taking decisions and handing down orders that are favorable to Trump.